Update na tayo on Bel Mariano. Bel Mariano is making her birthday count in the best way. Ito ay sabi ng kanyang World Vision Philippines update. Together with her supporters, the newest member of the Orange family packed gifts for World Vision Assisted Children. And these are the photos of Bel Mariano sharing all her blessings kasama ang World Vision sa mga charity at sa mga batang nangangailangan nito. Congratulations sa mga nakatanggap ng mga paregalo para sa natataong birthday ni Bel Mariano kasama ang kanyang endorsement, mga kaibigan. Ang sabi pa, she is hope, a soul with vision and purpose. You deserve that kind of smile always. Keep living your life with intention and grace. I'm so proud of you, Bel Mariano, ang sabi ng kanyang fan, and the heart she brings to everything she does. Her work with World Vision isn't just about lending her name. It is about showing up, caring deeply, and using her voice to make a real impact. And she's not just a star on screen, but a light in the lives of so many. Ang sarap naman basahin noon, mga kaibigan, para sa isang Bel Mariano. Meron daw pong pa-shoot si Bel ngayon, mga kaibigan, and ito daw po ay birthday pasabog. That's from Adrian Concept. Ang sabi dito, Monday shoot, Bel Mariano kasama ang Duki Dukay, Eugene David, Joe Galvez, si RJ De La Cruz, Miss Vince, kasama si RJ De La Cruz, at kaibigan niya ni Donnie Pangilinan and Edward John Barber, and marami pang iba. Ayan po, ang may pa-shoot daw ang isang Bel Mariano. Always click the links. Kay another thing that actually makes a bigger impact is clicking the links in Bel's post, or mga kaibigan, the ones in the ads. Hope we can do this, especially 6 out of 6 is on full blast for most of her endorsement. Kasama dyan syempre ang Shein Philippines, BDO Philippines, at ang Procter & Gamble po yan, mga kaibigan. Yeah. Don Bell with her Dancey Dance. Panoorin natin. Po, nakita po nila yan kahapon. And 8 days before the 23rd birthday of Bel Mariano, it reminds us all that the best celebrations are those that bring joy to others. So, diba? Hulog ka ng langit daw, Bel Mariano. And number one na fan daw talaga, cheerleader, ay itong si Donnie Pangilinan. Welcome to the Bel Lovers family. Yan po, at solo Bel Lovers po ang bitbit ng fan. Pero ito at naging si Donnie tuloy ang cheerleader dyan, mga kaibigan, for the love of Bel Mariano. Bel Mariano, the Gen Z superstar, the Prince of Philippine Entertainment, triple threat. Indeed, mga kaibigan, that is 1 hour ago. Let's watch this. Yan.
God, Caroline, move on! I will not move on! You don't get to tell me to move on! It's so
Performer and actress, and then dancer. Yan daw po ang triple threat ng isang, ng isang Bel Mariano. Let's watch her dance, mga kaibigan. Her dance number. Let's go.
say that why?
Ito.
Hindi ko yung namatayan ng ina. Hindi ko yung naiwan mag-isa. Hindi ko yung nasasaktan pa rin. Bravo! Best actress, ikaw yung panalo. Ano pa, awa antics na naman about your mom, Caroline? Can you go now so that we can enjoy our breakfast as a complete family? Shut up! What the? Shut up! What the hell? invalidate my feelings. You don't get to tell me to move on. Because I know the truth.
Yan, triple treat. Singer, actress, and total performer as dancer, mga kaibigan. Philippine Showbiz kasi si Lionheart TV ay nagpa-post kasi ng kanyang Philippine Showbiz triple treat multi-hyphenate. Yes! Queen's Shining Bright. At itinampok dito ang isang Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan, syempre na kanya mga taga-sumambay, na ang tawag nila sa sarili ngayon kung sila ay Solid Bell ay Bell Lovers, mga kaibigan. So yes, yan po ang pa-update ngayon sa Lionheart TV. Pinapakita dito kung sino ba ang talagang shining bright like a diamond ng Lionheart TV. Tingnan nga natin kung sino-sino ang nandito. Una, ang nilagay nila ay si Bel Mariano, and then Heaven Peralejo. Oh my goodness me. Heaven Peralejo, follow si Marco Galo. Mamaya yan, mga balitang tampok ni Lionheart, mga kaibigan. Pero for now, let's focus on Bel Mariano. Bel Mariano, beautiful inside out, aside as multi-hyphenate, smart, classy, may advocacy pa, and no issue ang isang Bel Mariano na punong-puno ng mga endorsement. Alam, dito na po ang mga endorsement ng isang Bel Mariano: World Vision, Dunkin' Donuts, Pepsi, Jollibee, Close Up, Bello, Biogesic, Metathion, Pond, Samsung, My Dentist, Safeguard, Shein, Juicy Cologne, Sunsilk Philippines, PH Care, BDO, Smart, and that's it, mga kaibigan. And for more of her endorsement, abangan natin yan syempre. Kasi nga po, meron pang paparating yan aside from this endorsement na nakapost sa ngayon. O, diba? Hair gold spotted or hair kada bell looking fab as always. Ayan, huwag niyong kalimutan, meron pa pong pa-event itong si Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan, soon. But hair kada bell, Tiffany and Company, may pa-post sila, mga kaibigan. I think yan po ay para sa celebration ng birthday ni Bel na soon na po yan. Yan po muna ang ating pa-update, mga kaibigan. I will see you later for more dito lang sa ating channel, Alexandra Lex Juice. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.